From the slick and icy roads to the snowy and slushy sidewalks, the first big storm of the season has arrived, and it's packing a punch.
When there's a snowstorm outside, it's best to avoid the roads at all costs. However, if you live in a province where winter weather is constantly covered by snow and ice, staying completely off roads isn't realistic. Here's a few tips to keep you safe and secure on snow and ice covered roads. It's important to stay composed and controlled when it's slippery. Rule number 1, never slam your brakes when it's icy and snowy. If you need to stop quickly, pumping your brakes will help you stop faster without sliding. Also, downshifting through the gears can help to slow your car down instead of braking. If you start sliding as you brake into a corner, you should ease off the brake and steer the steering wheel in the direction you want to go.
For more videos like this, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell so you can get videos instantly as I upload them.